Alright, so today's video we're doing the Jungle Gym brackets for Swingset. It give you two brackets, one for each end of the crossbar. It takes a 4x6 in the crossbar and 4x4s in the uprights. You get two brackets, one for each end. You get the lag bolts and you get washers. Basically all you do is slide the board in, drill a 1/4 inch pallet hole for your lag bolts, tighten them up with either a ratchet socket, whatever power tool you have, and then put your uprights in and stand it up. The brackets are well made, fully welded all the way around with the brace in the middle. Very good build, pretty decent thickness on the metal. They should last long enough for my kids to get plenty of use out of them. And I'm gonna get one of them bolted up and I'll show you what it looks like. Alright, so the brackets are mounted. It's 7 pilot holes and lag bolts for each side. I think the only way you can really mess this up is to have these angled the wrong way. The pockets for the 4x4 legs are to face out from the set. So that's really about the only way you can mess it up, would be to have this on the wrong end. Let's get the legs on. Alright, 4 pallet holes and 4 lag bolts per 4x4 post. I went with 8 foot on the post, and I went with 12 foot on the cross beam 4x6. 4x6 fits a little loose in the brackets, the 4x4s fit a little more snug. We'll see how it is once the swings are up. And there is the almost finished project. The frame is done. I may go in and put some cross braces between the two posts on each side, but the thing is actually very sturdy. I swung on it yesterday. I'm over 200 pounds and there was no rocking, no movement. It's a little bit unlevel. We're going to move it to a more permanent place once we get the backyard the way we want it, and we're going to add like a spider swing to the end. I did all this by myself other than standing it up once I got it bolted together, and honestly it took me longer to ride over town, get the lumber, and ride back home than it did to put everything together. Can't beat it for the price. I like doing stuff myself, but figuring out angles and bracing and everything is easier just to order the brackets. That's what you end up with. Thanks for watching.